Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and removing SIM and SD cards. This prevents shorts and is quick. Next, make sure you have a 0.5 mm screwdriver, plastic picks, tweezers, and an anti-static mat. These protect components and let you work precisely. Once done, separate the back cover using a pick at the seam, sliding slowly to avoid damaging adhesive. Keep screws organized by size and position. This saves time and prevents misplacing fragile parts when you reassemble. You now remove the mid-frame and any shields so you can see the speaker assembly and its flex cable. This exposes the likely problem area. Carefully inspect the speaker mesh for debris, dust, or lint can cause buzzing by blocking vibration. Then check the flex cable and connector for looseness or corrosion, because a poor contact creates distortion. If you see adhesive lifting, gently clean and dry the area. A secure contact and clean diaphragm are why the speaker must sit flat. You clean the speaker mesh with a soft brush and a 90% isopropyl swab. This removes particles that cause buzzing. Then let everything dry completely so you don't short the board. Next, reseat the speaker flex cable and connector. If contacts are corroded or damaged, replace the speaker assembly because worn contacts cause intermittent buzzing. Test at low volume first. Once stable, reassemble and test fully. If buzzing persists, a final troubleshooting tip. Try a different speaker module to confirm whether the speaker or the audio IC is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.